Part of me wants to ask. The other part says knowing will be more disturbing than anything I could ever imagine. Stilinski, what the hell is wrong with your friend?
He's failing 2 classes. He's a little socially awkward, and if you look close enough, his jawline's kind of uneven.
Stilinski! Jackson!
Sorry, Coach, I haven't seen him since the last time I saw him.
Oh, when was that?
Last time I saw him? It's definitely the time I saw him last.
Words should have new meaning for all of us today.
What the hell is he talking about?
He does this every year.
Seriously?
Yeah. I'm playing? On the field? With the team?
Yes, unless you'd rather play with yourself.
I already did that today, twice. I think we should say something.
No, I'm just gonna say no, Stiles, no, come on. Oh my God, dude, no. Hey!
You know, they probably didn't see us.
Oh, I gotta take this thing off. No, stop. Oh, Scott, please, stop. It healed. Ah, God, I hated it. Sorry.
Okay, who's next? Who wants the quarter? There you go. There's a gambling man. Come on.
Nothing.
I can see it on your face.
Maybe my face just has like a naturally interrogatory expression. I tend to get a little squeamish about stuff. What?
Oh, man. No! Down, 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 down. Let me see your hands. Down, 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 down. What kind of... Down, 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 down. Wind up your body now. What kind of... Yes.
What? Dad, what are you doing? Dad, what are you doing? Yeah, look at that. Okay, see this? That's maybe 3 inches of room to gather enough force to punch through solid... Ah! Ah! Gonna be missed. Can someone kill him again, please? Happy birthday! Coming in. Oh, whoa. Hang on. Hang on. Thank you. No, you don't. Here, just grab that side, maybe.
Don't forget to try the punch!
But if we stop...
Shut it! Shut it! Seriously, it's a little bus. Stop asking me questions.
I hate him.
That's it. I'm calling Lydia and Allison.
How are they gonna help? Back in Beacon Hills.
They're not. They've been following us for hours. Pathetic.
Hey, Stiles! Yeah, we just about to walk into a movie. You know, the popcorn.
I know you guys are right behind us. Put me on speaker.
Okay.
And still, he's not healing?
No, he's not healing. I think he's actually getting worse. The blood's turning like a black color.
Well, what's wrong with him?
What's wrong with him? Do I have a PhD in lycanthropy? How am I supposed to know that? I've been trying.
Well, reason with him.
Reason? Have you met this guy?
Just try something.
Coach, it's 5 minutes for a bathroom break, okay? We've been on this thing for like 3 hours. It's 60 miles to the next rest stop. Being cooped up for hours is not good. You know, our bladders aren't exactly... Coach, this is... Can you... Please, Coach, let me talk. Every time...
Get back to your seat, Stilinski!
Okay!
And Jared, keep your eyes on the horizon.
Hey, Jared. How you doing?